Hey guys, it's me, Japan Sweetheart, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be calling this a Draculaura inspired look. Now, truth be told, this really wasn't inspired by Draculaura. I did this makeup look the other day. I really liked it and I decided to recreate it for a YouTube video. But when I did this look a couple of days ago, the night before I did it, I just was like, hey, I want to do like a pink smoky eye. And so the next day I did it. I posted pictures on my same account Instagram if you want to see them. I might use one of them or two of them for the thumbnail, but I decided to create it for a video. But again, when I was like thinking of this, I wasn't like, oh, I want to do a Draculaura inspired makeup. This is gonna have like black in it, and I don't think Draculaura has black makeup on. With the hair, the outfit, and like the makeup all together, it kind of gave me Draculaura vibes, so that's why I just decided to say it was inspired by her. Now, I'm not really going to be talking through the face portion of this makeup that much, just because the base makeup is pretty much the same. I do change a couple things around and apply things a little bit differently, and I will maybe voice over that part, but I'm not going to be speaking through it. I will be talking through the eye portion of my makeup just because I feel like that's really the star of this look, and I definitely want to be in depth, and it is a tutorial. Actually, also, I changed my filming setup. I used to film like across my room over there. I just really hated the look of filming in front of my closet doors, so I came over to this side of the room. It is kind of annoying because you can see the outlet my ring light is plugged into, and my fan will be plugged into the next clip, but I just really like this better. But without further ado, let's actually get into it. Yes, I really didn't have to bring it closer for the face makeup. Alright, so I'm finished the face makeup for now, but now we're gonna move into the eyes. So I'm just gonna bring y'all a little closer. Also, my cat is here. She's looking at me, moving this, like, what are you doing? I'm actually gonna start with my ABHM Resi palette. I'm just gonna take the color here called New Yalka. I'm just pronouncing it the way it's spelled, by the way. I'm gonna use this as my all-over base color. I enjoy using an all-over base color no matter what kind of look I'm going for. It doesn't matter if it's neutral, colorful, minimal, dramatic. I think everyone should always use a base color. Okay, now I'm gonna go with my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color here called On the Grill. That's my cat. And it's just this really pretty smoky black color. Like, it's not really pigmented, which I like. I like to slowly build it up. With this color and this part specifically, I do spend a lot of time just building up the color and blending. And if you mess up at the front up here, it doesn't matter because that's where I go in with the pink color anyway. And I'm going to take my ABHM Resi palette once again, and I'm going to take the color called BK, which is this black color. Now this color is more of a pigmented black, so I'm only going to take a little bit. I'm always going to tap off the brush once I dip into it. Let me bring you closer. I'm sorry. I'm mostly only using this color to darken up the outer corner because that's really where I want it to be dark and smoky. I'm just gonna take this color. I like to pack it on. Also, this Resi color is a pressed pigment. You can always guarantee that any color that's going to be this vibrant or intense is always a pressed pigment. This powder brush tool about to fall out. I didn't have a fallout last time, so if I known I would have fallout this time, I would have done my eyes first, but that's okay. Now moving into eyeliner, I'm going to take my NYX Epic ink liner in black, and I can't really explain how to do the eyeliner part, but I just like to come up with it like that, then go to the bottom and connect like that. You can see there's a wing. Now you just have to color it in. And that's it. That's the wing. I would go make it just a little bit thicker. I could have gone up with the first line a little bit more, but I'm too afraid of messing up, and the wing is okay. This is my problem eye, so if it turns out bad, turned out so bad, oh my god, that's not even a little bad. So I'm gonna take some more black. I'm going to just put it over. Of course this happens when I'm filming. I can't allow myself to get stressed out over this. I just cannot believe it though. Okay, I'm gonna fix this eye and then I'm just gonna come back. It is what it is. I'm not gonna stress over it. So I'm back. I finished the eyeliner. I did mess up again, but instead of erasing it again, I just took some concealer and cleaned it up, and it looks nice. It is a little bit messy, but it's fine. I don't plan on having this makeup on long anyway. And if you want to see the first time I did this makeup look when it actually turned out great, you can always go to my Instagram. But finally, for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to take the shade here called Vermeer, and I'm just going to take the not the fluffy end of the brush, but this end. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into my Too Faced White Peach palette, and I'm just going to take that On the Grill color again, this black shade. Okay, now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Gel Eyeliner. I'm also going to take this angled eyeliner brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the eyeliner. I'm just going to go not on my waterline but on my lower lash line. And I'm just going to draw a line. It can be messy because I'm going to take this brush and really smudge it out. So it doesn't have to be neat at all. I feel like this adds to the smoky look in a good way. And lastly for the eyes, I'm just going to apply some of this Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara. I'm not really a mascara person anymore, but whenever I have fallout onto my lashes, I'd like to just apply a nice coat of mascara to bring my lashes back so they're not blending in with the shadow. I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty All Over Diamond Veil in the color How Many Carats. And lastly for lips, I'm just gonna take this Dollar Tree lip gloss. I have no idea where my lip glosses have gone. It's like all my lip products have just grown legs and walked away. Alright, and this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed filming it. This video is like 40 minutes long, so that's a lot to have to edit. But I will get this video up as soon as I can. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, comment down any videos you want to see down below. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will be soon. So, till then, bye.